Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some earrings and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some earrings and we're going to use these really cute spiral head pins. Now, the link for the tutorial to make these head pins is in the description, so be sure to check that out. You can also use any kind of head pins you want, but this is going to just add a little extra detail to the bottom. You're also going to need some 10-aught seed beads. I'm doing mixed beads for these earrings. You're going to need some ear wires, and then you're going to need your tools. So your round nose, your flat nose, and your flush cutters, okay? So let's get started. We're gonna start by putting 10 beads, onto the head pin. Let's see though, they may not be fitting. Uh-oh. Okay, well, it would seem that some of the holes on some of the beads are just too small. So I want you to thread about 10 beads on your head pin and meet me back. So here we've got 10. I think I'm going to go 15. So do 15 on each of your head pins, meet me back, and then I'll show you how to make the top so that you can attach it to the ear wire. Okay, so I've got my 15 on there. So using my nail, I'm going to bend this, and then I'm going to cut so that I have about 1/4 of an inch. Now you see how I cut that? I held this and this so that you don't have pieces flying everywhere, okay? Now I'm just going to check my ear wires. So I want that to face like that. So I'm going to have my loop face this way. So we're going to take this and we're putting it so it's like flush with the pliers, and we're going to turn it to make our earring. You want it so it touches. Okay? There we go. Okay, remember I said we want it facing the front. Don't turn it all in one go. You want to turn it little by little, okay? Otherwise you will snap it. So a little, turn a little, give it a break. Okay, we're going to make sure this is nice and closed. There we go. And there you go, guys. Now we're going to attach that to our ear wire. Okay. You always open your ear wire sideways. Put it on there. Close it up. And there you go, guys. There is, oops. Oh, it would have been right the other way. Sorry. So we need to turn it back. There. Now, because you want the spiral facing, right? Because that's part of the the decor. So now do the same to your other one. So I'll do this with you. So we got our 15. We're going to use our nail. We're going to bend that wire. Okay. And then we're going to cut it. Then we are going to take our needle nose and we're going to go to about where we want the shape of our, the thickness of our loop to be. Okay. See, it's not touching. We want it to touch. Okay. This would be when you'd fix it up. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm kind of funny about this kind of stuff, but so there's our earring. You notice how the spiral is going this way on this one? So when I put this on my ear wire, I want it to be a mirror image. So see, this spiral is going this way and this one is going that way. So this will be how I want it sitting on my ear wire. So that's it, guys. That's all there is to these cute little earrings. You can make a lot or a little. It's a great little gift, and people always love it when it's handmade, right? Did I just do that backwards? Of course I did. Okay, well, don't do what I did. Put it on the right way. So check that description. It's got all kinds of goodies. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye now.